Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get peach in your township game. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so for starters, peaches are a farming crop you'll unlock later in game. So we need to go ahead and reach the required level. So peaches are unlocked around level 52. So this is pretty much mid to late game. If you aren't there, keep leveling up by completing orders, harvesting crops and running factories. Now once you reach level 52, you want to go ahead and build an orchard. So go to your shop, build an orchard. It unlocks around the same time. You can find it in the store, and also go to farming, and it's going to be here. So it's going to unlock inside of here. Now from here, you want to go ahead and plant peach trees. So once the orchard is built, build or buy peach trees and place them. Each tree costs coins and produces fruit a limited number of times, typically 15 harvests per tree. Then from there, you want to go ahead and harvest peaches. So after planting, trees will take time to grow. So once ready, tap them to collect peaches in your barn. Also, replant trees when they expire. So after the maximum number of harvests, the tree will wither. Cut it down with a saw and plant new ones.